Hello everyone, this is Time Out with Coach Hill. I am thrilled and excited and delighted and honored to be here and sharing this information with you. If you know Coach Hill, you know that Coach Hill loves movies. And you'll see that that's pretty much the theme of Coach Hill. And you're like, well, why do you do that, Coach? Well, it's because it's something that I love. Find something that you're passionate about. Find something that you love and you'll never work another day in your life. So why do I love movies? I like to call them the golden nuggets that you can actually get from movies. Golden nuggets on how to live your life. Golden nuggets on how to achieve high levels of success. So I love sharing the principles that are actually in those movies. And today's movie that I'm going to be discussing with you is one of my favorite, absolutely one of my favorite of all time. It's Men of Honor. I remember seeing this movie for the first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time. I lost count of how many times I've seen this movie, and each time I'm inspired to go out there and live my dreams. So I'm going to give you just a couple of the scenes right now. Don't have a lot of times. These clips are not going to be 10, 15 minutes long. That's not my intent. My intent is to deliver content to you that you can actually go out there and apply in your life and go out there and make a difference in other people's lives. That's why I say to attract, to impact, and then to empower people. So here it is, the first scene. The first scene had to deal with his dad. That's right, his dad, not even about him. It was that his dad was a sharecropper. He was plowing the land, if you would. And I don't know if you've ever seen that or if you've ever done that, but that is hard work. And when it was time for him to say goodbye to his son, he let his son know without a shadow of a doubt, life is going to be hard. And that's my first message for you. I know you're probably thinking, well, Coach, you didn't have to tell me that life's going to be hard. Well, here's what I am telling you. If you're going to take your life to another level, expect new trials, new tribulations like you never ever had before. And the reason why is because guess what? That's what success is. It's a journey. And that journey has a lot of potholes. It has a lot of points where, you know what, you got U-turns. It's all types of crazy things that go on your travels to success. And it's gonna get hard. But you have an indomitable spirit. That means you can press through, you can march on, you can actually get to your goals if you make up your mind. If you make up your mind that success is yours, it's your birthright. It is absolutely your birthright. And we'll talk about that on some other clips, but just knowing that you're pressing toward the mark for the high calling there. Just know that. Now, the second thing is that he told him, he said, when it gets hard, get this, don't quit. Quitters never win, and winners never quit. So you're not a quitter, you're a winner. Again, you were born a winner. You were born into the most important race of your life, the human race. And all you have to do is just be the best you that you could possibly be. And I'm excited about that. So don't even think about quitting. Don't even think about going backwards. You were built to move forward. Now, in the second scene, this scene is really exciting. I like this one a lot. It was what they called him. And I'm here to tell you, it's not important what other people call you. See, they called him Cookie. Yeah, a man, Cookie. There's a television show out there right now, and one of the star players in it is named Cookie. So it's not a very masculine name. It's one of those names that was meant to degrade him. And I don't know about you, but I've been called all types of things, and not all of them great. But don't hold on to that. It's not what they say, it's what you say. It's what you say in your heart. And we know that heart is not this thing beating on the left side of your chest. That's where your mind, your will, and your emotions are laid. And you want to fill your mind, your will, and emotions with what you say. This is very, very important. And he just kept on saying to himself, and you watch the movie, you'll see it, I'm a winner. I'm a Navy man. I'm a this, I'm a that. What are you? You're more than what you've been showing. And that's not to put down what you're doing, but I want to let you know there's greatness inside of you. I mean, there's some things inside of you that are just screaming to get out. Yes, anytime you get started. For most people, you're going to start small, but don't despise small beginnings. You know, the harvest never looks like the seed. So what you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, you have to get started to get great. You don't have to be great to get started. So start exactly where you are, and you'll go from bad to good to great. Now, here's the part of this. When it comes down to you calling yourself a champion, not a champion, but a champion. Start saying that in the morning when you rise. Start saying that when you lay down at night, that you are a champion. Well, that's all I have time for, but this is a great movie, so I will be coming back doing some more scenes from this movie, some more nuggets, if you will, because I truly believe there's some hidden treasures in these movies, and all we have to do is just dig them out of there, if you would. So remember, don't let a 4-letter word that starts with F, fear, ladies and gentlemen, don't let fear stop you from a 6-figure income. The other 4-letter word, lazy. Don't be lazy on your journey to success. Well, I look forward to seeing you guys on the next clip. I definitely look forward to seeing you live your dreams. Yes!